If you have business in tree care industry or you are working as a barista, then I think this unit is what you need for your daily work. It's 35 horsepower gasoline engine, which will ensure the continuous power to keep your chipping work fast. This portable fuel tank, 24 liters, which will allow you to refill the fuel without towing this machine around. And you can also have easily a spare tank to switch off. Check out this control parts. This handle is tension clutch handle. Tension pulley clutching design is very simple and easy for its maintenance. And this unit is controlled by IFS system, which means you can be free from feeding control. Just focus on watching the machine and handling the material. All others can be passed to the machine. Look at this battery switch below. Each time you stop the machine and turn off the switch, you will have the battery protected from power leakage and save energy. I will bring more information through this video about Jonco products. I hope this video will help you know more about the Jonco products. Simple but different, that's Jonco product.